Hello everyone. Today is Thursday, July 25th. It's 3:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have another live trading video for you from Trader Jim. On my left is the time of sales and the E-mini S&P trading at 3,475. A couple things to talk about. We're going to have a webinar next Thursday, and tomorrow I will post links to attend the webinar. Let's go ahead and watch the video. I may throw in some commentary. Also, today was a really great day for all the charts that I ran in Sim. I'm going to try to give you some stats on trading between last week and this week, which charts were the most consistent. So let's go ahead and have a look at the live trading video.
Good morning, July 25th. Not long ago we had quite a break to the downside. This is the daily range filter that starts at 9 a.m. over here, and you see just sharp action all the way down here. It did hold the 85. 85 is an important number. 85 did hold. However, I am now bearish until we pretty much break the daily range to the upside. So I'll be ready to go short when the market opens. And this is the same template we've been having pretty much every day, $500 stop and target. And I tried to work some better money management. We'll see how that works out. Still have a few minutes before market opens, so maybe I'll just put it on pause for now. And this is the Russell, just like yesterday. The Russell is not quite as weak as the Nasdaq, but still below the daily range, and same exact template for the Russell, 500 and 500. Right, let's put it on pause, and I'll put it back on when the market opens. So we are about to open. Shorts are clicked. I am ready to take a short. That test of 85, in 85, like I said, is an important number. It was a very quick test of 85, but I think they're going to have to do it again unless they can just come out of it and shoot all the way up past 8,010. If they can do that, then maybe 85 is off the table. But until then, I believe 85 has to be retested. At this point, I would like a bounce up slightly and then a sell. Here is my short on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is racing and a short in the Russell. Right, I wanted the sharper move down. Here it comes. Bit hesitant. It is a strong market, of course, but I think that 85 needs to be retested. And that's all I would need. It was first target on the Russell and the Nasdaq. Gonna trail the Russell now. Still did not really fix my money management on the Russell. I did some differences here, but it will not trigger till later on. So I might be taken out at break even here on the Nasdaq. Russell wants to go lower. Come on, Russell. And here's the sell. Come on, come on. Now we're trailing, you see? Good. So doing slightly better with, at least trying to improve my money management. Okay, so out on the Nasdaq, on the trail, Russell is still short. Nasdaq is shooting up. I'll take another short, of course. Here it is. another move down on the NASDAQ to finish up the day, and here it is with positive slippage. Here we are. This Autotrader is freaking phenomenal. It is just unbelievable what this thing can do. Look at this, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Just a marvel, just a marvel. Okay, here we are on the Russell, trying to hold on to the short, very tight. Gonna unclick the shorts here if we get stopped out. Okay, 319. Let me see a bounce higher to the daily range. Look to the left. Nothing. It's all bullish on the left. Yeah, I mean, taking a short is definitely slightly against the trend, but yeah, take a look at the NASDAQ again here. First of all, let's unclick this just to be safe. What a great trade on the NASDAQ. How about that? So I was saying 85. Want to see a test of 85? Here is that 85. It is. If they break through it, they're gonna go a whole lot lower. But this 85 had to be satisfied, and so when the market opened up, we were way below the daily range filter, which starts at 9 a.m. It was a short, first target, out on the trail, and another short, and was done, just like that. BWT Autotraders, wow. It's almost not fair. I would say it's maybe it's just not fair. How can anyone else compete with this? What a piece of machinery. All right. Might take a break until we have come closer to the daily range, and then might try another short on the Russell. We will see. Just give me a minute, get a drink here.
Okay, I'm going to jump in here with a few comments. Jim mentioned the test of 75.85. Well, let's look at why that area would be tested. This is 75.85 here. Well, the low of the overnight session looks to be 79.8675, and then the high of the previous overnight session is 79.86, and then also the volume-based point of control from yesterday was around 79.89 to 87, this area right here. This is a 15-minute chart. It allows you to stand a little bit back and see the trees better, see the forest, however that goes. And then here, as I've always said, the VWT volume profile indicator will help you to see natural support and resistance in the market. And so Jim was right on in his analysis, but here's another way to look at it. So yesterday I showed a chart of Jim's settings, and today I let it trade in live sim, and here was the performance. And I also made a couple comments about backtesting. Well, what backtesting is a double-edged sword. It really is best for seeing if your settings make sense. That's what I mostly use it for. On this chart, the trades matched up pretty good with Jim's trades looking back, and that was good. My settings here are slightly different than Jim's. I went to a moving average of 0 instead of the weighted moving average. The 0 moving average is the simple moving average. So I went to a simple moving average instead of a weighted. It smooths out the bars a little bit, and I made the daily goal 750 with a loss limit of 700. This is trading 3 contracts, same as Jim. And here's the trades today. It hit its goal. And the difference is that I'm going long and short only, long and short. And I do have the daily range filter here, but it only went short because we're below the daily range. But anyway, this did pretty good. There was quite a few trades, except that this all happened within 15 minutes of trading, and so it hit its goal. The market dropped really fast, and so this hit its goal within 15 minutes of trading. But again, on the back testing, it's useful to see that your settings make sense. A long back test is not going to be as reliable as a forward test. So you still want to see that your settings in a back test do make sense. But you can't expect to do a back test and have the Autotrader trade exactly like your settings. Also, somebody had put in the default settings and got these wonderful results. Well, you know, the problem with Renko bars is that this is a 6-tick Renko bar, and you have to be aware that there's always a gap between the close of the bar and the open of the bar. This is not how it works. The open of the bar is here. So when you're looking back in a back test, this is where your results can get skewed, especially using limit orders. So it's not reliable to look back too far in a back test. Anyway, back to Jim's video.
Okay, we have another short on the Russell. I don't need much to meet my daily goal here. Just need a nice move down. It does not even, I don't think, needs to test the low. Just a nice move down will suffice. Here it comes. Here is the move. Come on. One more leg down. Oh, wait. I just looked away for a second and we are done. 490. Like I said, just not fair. Just not fair. I mean, amazing. Just amazing. What is there to say? Well, I was looking at least temporarily shorter. Here we are. No matter what I was looking at, actually, here is the daily range. The RTY is telling me we are trading below the daily range, and the rules say below daily range, shorts only. Here is the short. Market open. First target, and then out on a trail. Oh, you know what? I keep forgetting. As I mentioned, I don't like to trade sometimes with numbers right in my face, but I should do this just when I go over the trades. Yeah, so 3 short, right at market open, 2 reach target at 20 ticks, and then 1 out on a trail. We have a bounce up, still below daily range. Precision trend goes bearish. 3 shorts again, just a quick one to finish it up. 490 after commissions in the Russell. What happened? I lost? Oh, sorry. I thought there was some data issue here. So let me just go over again. This is a live chart. Here was our profit target. This amount is after commissions. Let's take a look at, well, I think we looked at the Nasdaq already, right? But let's look at Nasdaq again. It's that much fun. Okay. Again, doesn't matter what I think. I mean, I thought lower, but doesn't matter. We are below the daily range, which means shorts only. 3 short, market open, profit target 1, out on a trail, bounce up, still below daily range, 3 short, target hit. This is my show. Good night. So Fridays, as you know, during the summer, I'm taking off. There'll be no trading tomorrow. But thank you all very much, and I will see you on Monday.